But in this example, we've made £72.58 there. Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the difference between gambling and match betting. Obviously, I know those of you that have been involved with the channel for a while will know the difference already, but I wanted to put this video together for you to share around with any of your friends and family who may have just mentioned to you like, oh, you do match betting, isn't that just gambling? And this video is just going to be aimed at those. So hello to everyone that doesn't know the difference yet. I'm going to try and explain it in the simplest way possible that I can in this video. But before we jump on the laptop and I show you that difference, I just wanted to sort of talk about like why is it that gambling and match betting often get accused of being the same thing. And my opinion on it, it's just my opinion, remember, but I think that it's due to the fact that match betting has that word betting in there, and of course then just people just associate it with gambling. So they hear that word betting and then straight away they just shut their minds off to the fact that you can do something and it not be any kind of massive risk to your bank balance. Now, to compare the two, with gambling, we all know, well, we all should know, that you just simply go onto a bookmaker or casino site and you're placing a bet, whether it's on, football, horse racing, it might even be on a casino game, and you're hoping to win money. So you just place that one bet known as the back bet and you're betting for something to win, aren't you? Now, the reason why you will never end up winning money in the long run doing that is because even if you have like a really good knowledge about a football team and you think, okay, that team's definitely going to win, the bookmakers actually set the odds up so that the odds aren't the true odds of what the likelihood is for that event to happen. So they'll put the odds slightly worse so that they take the guaranteed profit over time. All you're doing every single time that you place a bet like that is essentially just handing a small amount of money to the bookmaker. And as crazy as it sounds, even on bets that you win, you're actually still handing value back to the bookmaker because you've only won that bet with worse value odds there. Now, if we jump on the laptop, I'll show you the massive difference here with match betting compared to gambling. And with match betting, it's called matched. The key word is matched there because you're matching the bet. So you're not just placing a back bet, as I explained in that first example. You're placing something called a lay bet as well, which is where you bet against the outcome to happen. So you cover all of the outcomes. So no matter what happens in the event, doesn't matter what the event is, whatever happens, you get your money back or you win some money because you've used a free bet. Now, jumping on to OddsMonkey here, which is, of course, my absolute #1 favorite match betting software. We can see here, so this OddsMonkey is just basically a site that helps you do match betting. But in their offers guides, they have one which, this is the very best welcome offer, so it's a great example for me to show you. But Bet365, they give you £100 free bet. They call it bonus bet credits, but £100 free bet if you deposit and bet £100. Now, in order to do this, you simply just follow the step-by-step instructions there. So opening your account, 5 steps there, and then 4 steps to complete the offer. So there's actually, and then another 6 steps there on the follow-up, which is using the free bet. So there's actually 9 plus those 6, so 15 steps in order to complete this offer and make £75 profit guaranteed. To complete this offer, you would literally sign up to Bet365 as a new customer, then use this tool here called the Odds Matcher here on OddsMonkey, and you use this tool because it's going to find you the correct bets to get on. So we go on Filter, Limit Bookmakers, and just have Bet365 selected. And then we're going to press Apply Filter. Now, as we can see here, this very top example, if I click this information button, it's going to give you this calculator. So we'll be placing a £100 back bet here, and I've just put that in the calculator. And you can see at the bottom there, your profit will be £0.0, and that's because you've placed a back bet on the draw for that football match at Bet365. You bet £100 for that to the match to finish in a draw. Then you've gone over to Smarkets and you've placed your lay bet, which we can just click Go to Smarkets, and I'll show you what that looks like. Now, this blue box here, next to where it says draw, the blue box is betting against that outcome to happen. So you would just literally click that and then put £100 in there and place a lay bet. So you're betting against the draw. And that's literally it. You've set that bet up there. So as you can see there in the bottom right hand corner, no matter what the outcome is, you just get your money back. Just nothing happens. You just get all your money back, guaranteed. Then when they give you that £100 free bet because you've placed a £100 bet with your own money, you then go back onto this odds matcher tool and find a match bet with higher back odds of so over 5. So we can click on this example here. I wouldn't necessarily use this as one to do because you don't want to bet on stuff like Israeli Premier League. You want to stick to like English football, but this is just an example. So, but you click the calculator here at the top and put it to free bet stake not return mode. And now we see the £100 as the free bet amount. And again, you would just bet £100 with your free bet on that outcome there. So the over 3.5 goals market on that match. And then you jump over to Smarkets and place the lay bet, and it does everything for you here using this calculator. But in this example, we've made £72.58 there. And again, I'll just put it larger on the screen there that you have a guaranteed outcome of a definite zero risk profit there. So there you have it. That should now ultimately explain the difference between gambling and match betting. They're completely different things. Gambling, you're just handing your money back to the bookmaker over time. You're never ever going to make money doing that. And match betting, you're just taking advantage of the free money that bookmakers give out to try and attract new customers. If you have any questions to do with match betting, please do join me here on the channel Monday to Thursday, 7 till 8 p.m. on my live stream. And I do actually have a completely free beginners course over on the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. Until next time though, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.